depends on your time horizon. So stocks are the single most effective, strongest wealth building tool that's ever been created. But they are also very, very volatile. So when she says, are stocks safe to invest in right now? What I hear is very short-term thinking. And stocks are never safe to invest in for the short term because they're volatile. At any given moment, they can take a deep plunge, and that's a perfectly natural part of the process. People get all crazy, especially if you watch the news, people go insane and panicked. But crashes and pullbacks in the stock market are a perfectly natural part of the process. They're very, very difficult, if not impossible, to predict when they're going to happen. But that's the reason you never want to invest in stocks for money that you're going to need in the near term. If you zoom out for longer periods of time, which is what I recommend, stocks are stunningly reliable. I mean, there are very few times over the course of 10 years where stocks have not given you a good return. And you got 20 years, and I mean, it's very rare. So if you look long term, stocks are extremely safe and extremely powerful in building wealth, but they are very volatile along the way. So you have to be willing and able to endure that volatility. If you're going to panic and sell when the market drops, not if, because the market will drop. It's a perfectly natural part of the process. If you're going to panic and sell when that happens, you do not want to invest in stocks because they will leave you bleeding on the side of the road. Following my advice will leave you bleeding on the side of the road if you panic and sell. It's 100% dependent on tying yourself to the mast during the storm and ignoring the volatility and continuing to invest into it because now you're actually accumulating shares on sale because prices are down, because the storm never lasts. It always blows over and the sunshine comes back out and prosperity returns.